Alright, welcome back to the Chronicles of Luis and Raquel. Today we're going to be making hard-boiled eggs. Luis and I love to buy 2 packs of organic eggs at Costco every time we go. They come with 24 eggs, and I'll hard-boil all of these, and then we'll have the other pack if you want fresh eggs that morning. But it's just really nice. It's a time saver in the mornings if you're just kind of on the go and you need a snack or for a breakfast. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to take out my eggs and put it in my pot here. So I have 12 eggs in my pot, and so I like to put them in first, and then I'm going to fill it up with water just to cover the eggs. Fantastic. And then I am going to put this on high, and I'm going to bring this to a roaring boil, which basically is when it's, really active and angry, as I like to think of it. In the meanwhile, I do have some ice inside of a mixing bowl, and this is so when we take our eggs out of our hot water, we'll put them in here and they'll stop cooking, and that way you don't get that chalk flavored egg. We dumped out the hot water, and then now we just have the eggs in here. Oh, one of them already cracked, how nice. And I'm going to go ahead and shake the pot here, and this just kind of cracks them a bit. You don't want to do it too hard because I did that one time and I had to have an egg. And that's it. Then we are going to take our eggs that are cracked a bit, you can see them, and we're going to put it in the cool water here. Whoops. And that way they stop cooking. They're not gonna get like super hard boiled. And we'll let them sit there for a minute, and then we're gonna peel them. Okay, so we took out a bit of the water, and then now we're gonna go ahead and peel the egg. And as you can see, we already peeled its brother or cousin or whatnot. Just do your best to be delicate. I like to try to use my finger as much as possible and not my nail. But you want to get that membrane off. And this doesn't have to be perfect. It's hard-boiled eggs, and that's what's important. You see, this one isn't perfect, so. And let me cut it open for you. Show you kind of what it looks like. And that's it. That's how you hard-boiled eggs.